The Maxime Residence, designed by Blankstudio, is situated amidst a flower garden in Chiang Mai, Thailand. The 2583 square foot house is divided into 3 sections: a living room, 2 bedrooms, and a service area. A wide and long terrace, open spaces, and a stone wall are the main architectural elements used in the construction. The open pavilion-style home maximizes the tranquil lot it occupies, with large glass walls and floor-to-ceiling windows bringing the outdoors inside. Stone walls provide a transition barrier, allowing residents to spend as much time outdoors as indoors. Of course, the living area, kitchen, and dining room are a bit more open to the outside world than the lovely bedrooms, which offer a touch more privacy. The semi-outdoor terrace connects each section, making the interior airy and bright in all areas. As the house is situated amidst the flower garden, it was designed with consideration for the connection to nature and the surrounding context. The stone walls become the main design element of this house, making their presence felt both outside and inside the residence. 2 parallel stone walls in black, a series of skylights, and a neutral color palette create a sophisticated and serene home. They are placed slightly overlapped, creating open spaces for 2 bedrooms. The space opens up to 2 bedrooms, creating a feeling of privacy. 3 stone walls are the main elements used to separate between public spaces and private zones. They primarily serve as a cover for privacy. The terrace and the long extending roof of the building create functional spaces and protect from the sun. The stone wall is a noticeable element from the approach to the entrance. It is considered as the introduction to the building, extending to other spaces until the interior, thanks to the architect's intention to create a connection between the external environment and the interior of the house as a whole. Modern homes are all about the interaction between the structure, the landscape, and those within. Instead of being confining spaces, they aim to be liberating edifices that facilitate a harmonious relationship with nature. This contemporary home features an environment that is far from the impersonal and stoic urban setting.